What's going on, everybody? It's your favorite MC's favorite MC, Pinnacle the Hustler on the MIC. And this is another episode of the Hustler's Motivation Club. Today's episode is the second part about becoming a better human being in 4 steps. So, here's the second step. Admit your mistakes to the people that you've wronged. Now, this is called cleaning your side of the street. It's your job to reach out to people and admit to them your mistakes and to ask them for forgiveness. One of the biggest fundamental traits when it comes to being a real man or being a real woman is being humble. And nothing makes us more humble than to admit to people that we failed them and that we failed ourselves, and to throw ourselves at their mercy. Now, if they want to forgive you, that's up to them. And that's a burden that they're going to have to live with if they don't forgive you. However, once you have admitted your mistakes to yourself and to that person and you've asked for forgiveness, then you can clear that debt with yourself. And this is the second step to becoming a better human being. Admit your mistakes to the people that you've wronged and ask them for forgiveness. This has been another edition of the Hustler's Motivation Club. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you take this advice, take this information, and I hope it helps you along your path and along your journey. All right. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Pinnacle the Hustler, and I'll see y'all next week. Peace.